to start off the skincare from CA True White Essence Lotion to keep my skin moist because my skin dries out easier this time of the year. And then I'm going to use L'Oreal Hydra Genius Aloe Water. I'm going to use AHC Real Ice Cream for my skin. Next, I apply Vitamin Enriched Face Base from Bobbi before I do my makeup. And because for this makeup look, we are not gonna use foundation, so I'm gonna apply sunscreen on my face, which is Biore UV Water Gel. For next, I'm going to use a mix of two concealers. One is from Hourglass and the other one is from L'Oreal. I mix them together to get the shade of my skin. For natural makeup look, I like to use my finger to blend them. And because I have some breakouts I want to cover, so those areas I will use a small brush to apply the mixture and then finish blending with my finger. For my eyes, I'm going to use an eyeshadow, which is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color from NUDESTIX. After applying it, I will use my finger again to work it in to get a nice blend. To get deeper eyes, I will add this brown shade NUDESTIX eyeshadow on my outer and inner lids. Then connect them using my finger. For more like a natural look, so instead of an eyeliner, I'm going to use the eyelashes strengthener. Next, I apply Maybelline mascara on my lashes. I'm going to use this powder to get rid of the excess oil from my eyebrows. After brushing my eyebrows, I use eyebrow powder to fill in my brows. from Catrice. Then I'm going to use Eglips Slim Fit Shading to contour on my nose and under my lips. For blush, I'm going to use the stick one from NUDESTIX. For this, I used it in the nude shade. I apply with my finger. It is good to avoid the area lower than the nose. For my lips, I'm going to use Water Drop Tint Balm from Holika. I'm going to apply a Bobbi Brow lip gloss to make my lips look shiny and healthy. To finish off, I'm going to use highlighter from NUDESTIX. Here, I use the Hey Honey shade. I apply it on my cheekbone and any area I would like to shine up. I really like this highlighter because it matches with my skin tone so good, while also looks natural. This would be the final look. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like, feel free to subscribe or simply leave a like. It would mean a lot. Bye!